Hi, this is Tecsun R-9700DX. This is basically a three-band radio, medium wave, FM, and shortwave. And shortwave is divided into 10 uh, sub bands, that is from shortwave 1 to shortwave 10. So I wanted to buy this radio from quite a time because I had watched few videos on YouTube wherein the shortwave capability of this radio was outstanding. So I just wanted to buy it and I wanted to try it in India. So this radio arrived today, and in this radio I didn't find any type of manual. This is the only piece of paper that I found inside this radio, and with this there was a pouch or a bag. This is a bag wherein it holds the radio very well, and this looks good. The contrast of this bag is nice. The radio can be stored here, and this is a logbook if you have particular stations or something to be noted. So nice, cute bag. This is the adapter that came in with the radio. It is basically 6 volts, uh, negative ground, sorry, positive ground, and this is the plug of this adapter. This is not a USB or micro USB type. This is the old school type. We also got this long wire antenna, wherein if you want to listen to shortwave you can clip this into the external antenna jack, and you can pull the wire and hang up to your window or something. This is nice old school earphones that this was in the bag with this radio. It quite reminds me of the earphones that we had when we were teens and we used to listen to Walkmans. And finally, this is the box that this radio came in. Uh, Except Tecsun and R-9700DX, everything else is written in Chinese. I tried to translate it to English, but then it was funny what kind of result I got. So I thought not to update that thing on this video. There is one more reason for me to buy this radio, because I've been a bit surprised and inspired kind of with the Sony ICF 7600 AW. This is the side by side comparison, and both are almost same size, and the Sony is particularly divided into meter bands, wherein Tecsun is also divided into meter bands, but there is some wide bandwidth in the sub meters band that these shortwave bands are divided into. So let us keep the Sony radio aside and let's look into this Tecsun R700DX. So basically on the front side we have this light on off button. This is power on light. This is station light, and that is FM stereo light. On the front again we have the Tecsun brand and the model number with all the band switches. On the left there is a external antenna jack, and there is a local DX button below. This is tone control, loud and bass. Below that there is a earphone jack, and at the below that is on off switch. On the right we have this tuning dial and slide volume control. On the top there is an antenna, and this is a button wherein you can permanently turn on the backlight that is behind the big dial scale that we have here on Tecsun. So today I thought we will do a FM band scan, and then maybe in the future videos we'll also do medium wave and shortwave band scans. So let's start the radio with the FM band scan. This is 91.1 Radio City. This is 91.9 Radio Indigo. They are playing some dance music today. This is 92.7 Big FM. Yes, it's a Big FM. This is 93.5 Red FM. The sound quality on this radio is really good, and the tone control switch it gives bass to the music and also reduces the hiss noise. Oh, this is Badshah. Go on, Badshah. This is 94.3 Radio 1. This plays international music. And this is 95 Mirchi. It's hot. Radio Mirchi. I am sorry, Babu. कहानी. I am sorry, Babu. मेरे पापा किडनी के मरीज हैं. पिछले साल उनकी किडनी में हार्ट अटैक आई थी. What? उसके बाद से ही बहुत वीक रहते हैं. परसों ही मैंने उनको तुम्हारी फोटो दिखाई थी, और उसके बाद से वो लगातार उल्टी कर रहे हैं. I am so. This is 98.3 Radio Mirchi. This plays regional Kannada music. This is my favorite station. 100.1. It's a weak station. I think I should pull up the telescopic antenna for better reception. This station plays Carnatic music and classical music whole day. I've also heard this in the midnight, like till 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. Nice soothing music. This is 101.3 FM Rainbow. All the regional Kannada music and some talk shows. This is 102.9 Vivid Bharati, but currently they are broadcasting the regional talk show. This is 104 Fever FM. You can see the green light blinking when the station is tuned. In the same way, when you plug in the earphones, the tone switch will change to mono and stereo switch, and the light beside the green light will start blinking. It will light up for the stereo sound. That was 106.4 IGNO radio station. And this is the end of the band scan today. This was really nice. The sound quality on this radio is very good. Reception is fine. FM, it grabbed all the local stations very well, except 100.1, which usually is a weak station on any radio. We have to extend the whip antenna that is with the radio. This radio cost me around 4,550 rupees. That is around some 55 to $60 US dollars, and I think it is worth that money because I haven't tried medium wave and shortwave yet. That is why I bought this radio. I bought this particularly for shortwave, and I'm very excited to try this on shortwave and give you a video demonstration of the same. Please let me know how this video was, and how this unboxing and review of Tecsun R-9700DX actually was. Please like the video, share it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video till the end. You guys have a good day.